There's a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I'm in bed, I lie and I listen. I'll open that door one day. Question 1. Where is the shed? Answer: the shed is at the bottom of the garden. Question 2. What is hanging across the door? Answer: a spider's web is hanging across the door. Question 3. How are the hinges? What sound do they make? Answer: the hinges are rusty, they creak in the wind. Question 4. What is the shed used for? Answer: the shed is used for keeping tools or animals. Question 5. What does the word hinges mean? Answer: joints. Question 6. Pick out the words from the above stanza which are opposite to A. Top, B. Shut. Answer: A. Bottom, B. Open. Question 7. What detail highlights the condition of the shed's entrance in the given text? A. A lock and key. B. A spider's web across the door. C. A fresh coat of paint. D. A welcome mat. Answer: B. A spider's web across the door. Question 8. What does the author's statement, "I'll open that door one day," indicate? A. The author has already opened the door. B. The author is uncertain about opening the door. C. The author is determined to open the door in the future. D. The author regrets not opening the door. Answer: C. The author is determined to open the door in the future.